All right, you just had your snowblower out, you cleared your driveway, you cleared the neighbor's driveway, you helped the old lady down the street with her groceries, and then snowblowed her driveway too. Now, what you want to do afterwards, when you get the snowblower parked, if you don't have a heated garage like me, I have a detached garage, got to do a little bit of maintenance on here, all right? Nothing too crazy, but just something to prevent issues down the road. One, you're going to want to dust all this off, and I'll show you that in just a moment, okay? Get all the snow off of here. It's not going to melt on its own. And then what I do, I get a space heater, right? Just a little space heater, cheap one I have. And I point it right in here at the coil, at the auger on high. All right, what this is going to do is melt all this snow back in here. I'm going to get some of this out, but you're going to leave that going in here. It's going to get all the snow off of there. It's going to dry it off, and you won't have any oxidation on like your shaft in there or on your augers, all right? Pretty simple maintenance. One little thing that'll help out. Subscribe to this channel for more tips. Thanks for watching.